Hello everybody, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and in today's video I am going to talk about college project ideas. If you use Python, number 1, YouTube downloader, number 2, audio video converter, number 3, unit converter, number 4, advanced calculator. If you go for Java, number 1, online bank management system, number 2, data visualization software, number 3, email client software, number 4, airline reservation system. If you go for JavaScript, number 1, weather app, number 2, quiz app, number 3, hangman game, number 4, tic-tac-toe. If you use C++, number 1, hospital management system, number 2, car rental system, number 3, dating app, number 4, security app. You can also create these projects interchangeably using different programming languages. Tell in the comment that which project you have already done and in which particular technology. Thanks for watching. Like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel if you are new to it. See you in the next video.